China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, Transforming Connectivity and Economic Prosperity. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (Cpec) is a groundbreaking bilateral initiative that aims to strengthen economic cooperation and connectivity between China and Pakistan. It represents a major component of China's Belt and Road Initiative, an ambitious plan to enhance infrastructure development and foster economic growth across the globe. Cpec's inception and successful completion of various projects have laid the foundation for stronger economic ties between the two nations and hold significant promise for the future generations. The idea of Cpec was announced in 2013. The project was launched on April 20th, 2015, when Chinese President Xi Jinping and Pakistani Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif signed 51 agreements and memorandums of understanding valued at $46 billion. The corridor aims to connect China's western region of Xinjiang to Pakistan's southern port of Gwadar, spanning approximately 3,000 kilometers. This strategic route facilitates the movement of goods, energy, and people, benefiting both countries and fostering regional development, as well as benefiting other nations in the region. As of the knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Cpec had already witnessed significant progress in the completion of several infrastructure and energy projects. Some notable completed projects include Gwadar Port. Located on the Arabian Sea, Gwadar Port serves as a crucial hub for maritime trade, offering China a shorter route to access the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. The Karakoram Highway Upgrade. The upgrade and renovation of the Karakoram Highway, which connects Kashgar in China to Islamabad, have improved transportation and trade links between the two nations. Cpec has facilitated the construction of various energy projects, including coal, solar, and wind power plants. These projects address Pakistan's energy needs, augmenting its power generation capacity. Cpec's future prospects remain promising, with several ongoing and proposed projects expected to enhance economic development and regional connectivity. The establishment of special economic zones along the corridor is expected to attract foreign investment and boost local industries, generating employment opportunities and promoting economic growth. Further development of road networks, railways, and air transport will improve connectivity with Pakistan and China, facilitating smoother trade and economic interactions. Cpec envisions a broader regional integration by potentially involving other countries in Central and South Asia, fostering economic ties and regional stability. Though Cpec primarily revolves around China and Pakistan, its broader regional impact draws the interest of other neighboring countries. Afghanistan, Iran, and India are among the nations that could benefit from Cpec's projects in terms of trade and connectivity, but their involvement remains subject to geopolitical dynamics. Cpec offers a multitude of benefits for both China and Pakistan, as well as the broader region. China has been grappling with an excess capacity in sectors like steel, cement, and textiles. Cpec provides an avenue for exporting this surplus capacity to Pakistan, where it can be used to meet the country's infrastructure needs and promote industrial development. Cpec also contributes to the development of underdeveloped western region of Xinjiang. The improved infrastructure and connectivity between Xinjiang and Gwadar Port offer new trade opportunities and economic growth prospects for this region. The corridor's development project boosts economic growth by creating jobs, attracting investment, and stimulating various sectors. Cpec projects have already created tens of thousands of jobs, boosting employment in Pakistan and contributing to poverty alleviation. Trade diversification. Cpec provides China with an alternative and shorter route to the Arabian Sea, reducing transportation costs and facilitating access to markets like the Middle East and Africa. Cpec represents a transformative initiative that has the potential to reshape economic landscapes in both China and Pakistan while fostering regional connectivity and cooperation. Its successful completion of several projects and the promise of future developments underscore the significance in driving economic prosperity and regional integration. By harnessing the potential of this corridor, China and Pakistan can pave the way for a brighter and more interconnected future.